Hi there, welcome to our channel Free Tech. In this video, we will review Deferit. If you ever feel stressed about paying bills on time, the Deferit app might be a game changer for you. Deferit is a budgeting app and bill management app that helps you split your bills into smaller, manageable payments without interest or late fees. Instead of paying a large bill all at once, you upload it to Deferit and then pay it upfront for you. Then you pay Deferit back over 4 installments. What I like is how simple it is. You don't need to worry about high interest credit cards or falling behind on important payments. Everything is laid out clearly in the app and the process is super straightforward. It's especially helpful for things like phone bills, car registrations, utilities, and even medical expenses. You stay on top of your payment without the pressure of paying everything at once. And there's no hidden fine print, just a small flat fee per month, and you can cancel anytime. If you are looking for a smart way to manage cash flow and avoid the stress of big bills, Deferred is definitely worth checking out. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.